Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your iPhone 17 in two different ways. So let's get started. I'm going to show you first method, which is not going to delete any of your data. The second method is going to delete all of your data. So depending on what type of hard reset you're looking for, you want to follow these steps. So this first hard reset, it's going to basically shut down the phone software, reload the code to fix any software related issue without deleting any of your data. The second one that I'm going to show you, it's going to completely delete your data, which I'll show you in the second phase. So the first one is you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this big side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll show you how that's done. So I'm going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this big side button. And you're going to keep on holding until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. So as you can see here, I'm holding down, waiting for the screen to go completely black. And then it went completely black. And once you see the Apple logo, I let go. This kind of hard reset does not delete your data, simply shuts down the phone software, reloads the code to fix any software related issue you may be experiencing, also known as a forced restart. So once you're back on, now if it doesn't work the very first time, go ahead and try it. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get the hang of it. Keep in mind, you're just quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down that big side button. Now, the second kind of hard reset you might be thinking is completely wiping and resetting your phone to factory default. This is something you would do if you're selling, giving away, trading in your phone. So in order to do that, you're going to go to your setting and then go to General, and scroll all the way down here to transfer or reset iPhone. From here on, you're going to select the option that says erase all content and setting. What this will do, erase your iPhone, basically delete all of your apps, data like photos, videos, basically anything you have originally had back to how you originally set it up in the factory setting. So you're going to hit continue. And when you do that, you're going to get a prompt and you're going to click on erase. If you have an Apple ID password, you might need to enter that as well. But after that, it will go ahead and erase. It will take a few minutes, but you're going to see the hello screen, which indicates it successfully has been hard reset. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.